My name is Tanzila and I came from Bijapur, Karnataka. And I have done my graduation in Electronics and Communication from Berry's Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. And after my graduation, I joined J-Spiders in the month of June 2024. And I have taken Java development course. So my core Java was taken by Manasa ma'am, and my SQL was taken by Nava ma'am, and my web and React was taken by Shiraz sir, and advanced Java was ongoing with Kagan sir. Here the faculties are very helpful and the HRs are very supportive. The HRs are added me for 5 to 6 requirements. So within that I got a with the package of 3.2 LPA. So like I will suggest you guys to join J Spiders because it is very helpful. Even though I came from a EC background, I have taken Java full stack. So like I have learned within some time only I have learned Java full stack. So here the grooming was going on and it was very helpful, and the classes were like very if we have if we are seeking any doubt, so like we can seek the clarification from our HRs or like our faculty. So thank you J Spiders. Heba.